Let's go.
Hi, and welcome back to the worksite. Today is Thursday, 13th of June, and 2 weeks have passed since our last update. Let's go have a little look on what has happened. As you can see, the boys are doing the final preparations for the concrete floors. So we're just leveling up the gravel, and then we'll put up the foam panels, and then the concrete will be laid on top of that one. And here you can see the concrete has already been laid, and the floor has been done in 2 sections already. So there's 1 section and this is the 2nd section, and next Tuesday they will come to lay down the concrete for the rest of the floors. So looking good on that aspect. Also, they are building the walls up at the moment. We have had a little delay from the factory about the roof panels, but the roof panels are also coming, so next week they will start making the rest of the roof as well. So we're still in schedule nicely. Yeah, and as you can see here, we have the metal plaster is already in place, and it's sitting well in the concrete flooring. On that side there, we can see the foundations for the wood chip boiler, which will be built right after we get the floor laid down with the concrete, and then we can focus more on the inside. So the important thing for now is to get the concrete down as soon as possible, because it takes a long time to dry up. We cannot do any insulation work or anything on the floor before it's completely dry. So first we're gonna lay down the rest of the floors, and after that is done, then we can focus more on building the actual wood chip boiler, and the construction crew who assembles the frame will continue their work. As the Finnish summer has been surprisingly dry, every now and then we have to wet the concrete a little bit for it not to dry too fast. Well, thanks for watching. We'll continue our work here. See you later.